This 2026 Aliner Scout Base is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 1 foot 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, air conditioning, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery. The floor plan layout of this pop-up RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Aliner Scout Base is 1,506 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.